This is my buddy Marcel. He's an animal. He's got this Pacific Coast Choppers fine-tuned design basic here. He's gonna crank out on it for us just to show us a little bit about what it's got. Here he goes. That sounds like first gear to me. Oh, here we go. Don't worry, he's got lots of gas. This thing is a prime time when it comes to gas. So, fortunately for Marcel here and the environment, unlike myself, look at my truck. Takes a lot of gas. Sick gas. Oh, here he comes. What? Watch out, Bella. Stay back here. Here comes your daddy. Yeah. There he goes. 0 to 60, just like that. What do you think of that, Bella? Hey? No more need for sawdust when you got burning rubber. He'll be back any minute now. See, this is this thing here with gas again. You get such good gas mileage on this thing. Just disappear into the middle of nowhere. All of a sudden, you know, you still got lots of gas, so you keep on going. He'll be back any minute. Oh, Bella. You're almost 2 years old. You can have a big party, eh? You can put your hands up and say, yeah. Soon be my birthday. And I'm gonna party like it's my birthday. Cause my name's Bella. And I can. What do you think, Sophie? Wanna say hi for the camera? Ah, titties! Get you from the neck up. You silly girl. What happened to your hair?
I took it out.
Ah! Sophie's got no clothes on. Oh my god. Here comes Marcel. There's your daddy. Prime time. There it is. North Shore Pacific Choppers. Here you go.